Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the toe kick plate on this GE refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open both refrigerator doors, then use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the toe kick plate. With the screws unthreaded, you can pull the old plate free. To install the new toe kick plate, align it on the lower frame and thread the two mounting screws to secure. With the toe kick plate installed, plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.